Revver streamlined our processes and we had faster turnaround times, and it reduced bottlenecks that we were seeing previously with documents getting stuck in email inboxes, and it improved our overall efficiency. Things were taking weeks to get processed because we would have to manually follow up with people, whereas with Revver, it automatically sends a notification to them, so following up with them is very minimal now, and we can process things in a matter of days. I am with MIDA, which is the Military Installation Development Authority, and we develop underutilized military land, and we serve service members and local communities. A way that we use the Revver workflows is we start off by doing a document request link, which then the developer can send the document directly to Revver, which automatically kicks off our workflow. It then gets routed to multiple approvers who are internal and external to our organization. And since we are a virtual office, it allows them to work effortlessly together and get through the process in a matter of days, whereas in the past it would have taken us weeks. Another thing that we liked about Revver was the e-signature aspect of it, so that all of the compliance could be done within Revver. We didn't have to outsource it to another software and then bring it back to Revver. Since MIDA is a remote office, Revver has helped us immensely by providing workflows that we can all work together collaboratively on, and having all of our documents in one place, having all of our e-signatures in one place, having the audit logs, knowing who has approved and in what order, and also tracking what modifications have been done on a document. It really has helped us kind of work as if we were together in person. When we first started getting implemented with Revver, their support staff was super helpful in answering all of our questions about the different features of Revver, such as e-signatures, audit logs, workflows, and really took the time to help us navigate that and make sure that we were on the path to success.